Good morning, folks. Frank Zorrilla here, 4/23/2018, 8 o'clock at 8:45 in the morning. Wanted to do a quick video looking for some stocks, some actionable ideas for today. So I'm going through Investors Business Daily, investors.com online. Very simply, IBD does a great job narrowing down the universe of 5,000 stocks to a select few, and they combine fundamentals with technicals. So very simply, what I do is, I go on here and I go to stock list, and here they give you how they narrow down the universe of stocks. They have the IBD 50 sector leaders. They have IBD Cap 20. They have all these lists. Some of the names are in multiple lists. So normally, what I do is just to get the top 200 stocks. This is my favorite list. You go to IBD data tables. They don't talk about this list that often, but this by far is my favorite list because it pretty much combines the IBD 50, the sector leaders, the stock in the spotlight, and that's right over here, top 200 composite stocks, last updated 4/20. And when you go through this, very simply, they give you all the top names, composite rating, EPS rating, relative strength rating, accumulation distribution. So here, I went through this list already, and I came across 4 names that I believe are actionable today, if and only if they're able to get through Friday's highs. So very simply, I'm going to go on to Marcus Smith, which is their charting software, and it gives you a quick snapshot of the chart. So here's Marcus Smith. So here you have the chart, obviously. Here's the technicals, and at the bottom here are the fundamentals. So the names that I came across from the IBD top 200 stocks in the market. Number 1 is COUP. COUP Software. Very simply, here you look at the numbers. Not much data over the last 4 quarters, but sales up 41%, 43%. 34% and 41%, EPS up 140% last quarter. And very simply, what I'm looking at is a stock that's holding up well, broke the IPO high right over here. It's down 3 days in a row. This stock is actionable to me going through Friday's highs, which is 47.49. So normally in a situation like this, the stock caught an upgrade this morning, so it's gapping up a little bit. But in a situation like this, what I'm doing is very simply, I'm putting a buy stop at 47.59 with a stop at 46.40. The market is either going to get me in or get me out. The next one on my list is SPLK. Similar situation, the stock is down 3 days in a row, as you can see right over here. Earnings, pretty decent. Sales up 30%, 32, 34, and 37. EPS plus 60%, plus 70, and plus 76. Estimates for 2019 are roughly 63, plus 63%. And again, very simply, I'm looking for a trade above Friday's highs, which is roughly 106.11. So in a situation like this, I'm putting a stop at 107.11, stop at 103.90, and I'm only going to get involved in these stocks if and only if they're able to get through Friday's highs. The next one on my list, GRUB, GRUB, which is an IBD 100, IBD 50, and a sector leader stock. GRUB has it's been holding up well, down 3 days in a row, printed an inside day. I have an interest in the stock going through 103.14, buy stop 103.24, stop loss 99.25. Earnings, EPS change 45%, plus 13%, plus 22%, plus 61%. Sales up 39%, 32, 32, and 49. Again, very simply, what IBD is doing is you can narrow down the universe of stocks by looking at the strongest fundamentally, stocks with the strongest fundamentals with great technical patterns. And what you're looking to do is just put the odds in your favor. If you look at GRUB here down 3 days in a row, look at the big volume in the up day, and then look at the volume of the down day, less and less. So GRUB, I like going through 103.14, buy stop 103.24, LGND. It's another IBD top 200 stock, down 3 days in a row. I like it going through Friday's highs, which is 168.83, with a stop at 166. Earnings and sales the last 3 quarters pretty impressive. EPS plus 91%, plus 57%, plus 77%. Sales up 43%, up 54%, up 32%. Estimates for 2018 is plus 48%. So LGND looks actionable to me going through 168.83 with a stop loss at 166. And again, what we're looking to do is you can scan for these type of stocks based on fundamentals in MarketSmith, where you can put, for example, I want companies only that are growing sales up 40% or growing EPS up 50%, and that just very simply narrows down your universe, saves you time if you're looking for fundamentally sound companies. So again, COUP, Splunk, SPLK, Grub Hub, and Legend Pharmaceuticals LGND are the stocks on my watch list today that I have an interest in going through Friday's highs. Trade them well and be well.